Hey, it's Sunday, March 15th, and I'm sitting in the car again because Donnie's sleeping. So that snoring you hear behind me is my baby sleeping. We just got home from a watch party where we watched our church. We watched our preacher do a live stream. We have a really large congregation, so by mandate of the governor, we're not meeting this month. So a lot of people are hosting watch parties, and we went to one, and then we had lunch and played games, and it was super fun. And just doing our part, I think, to help everybody stay safe and free of the illness, just by having a small gathering and making sure that we all weren't sick. So that's it for today. And I don't know how long this quarantine is going to go on, but we're going to do our best to keep ourselves safe and healthy, not only for our sake, but for the good of society in general, and gosh, for the whole world who is being affected by this coronavirus. I'll catch you next time. Bye.